Hi. One of my dearest friends named Margaret has a wonderful son named Luke. And when I found out what an incredible artist Luke is at the age of 12, I asked if he would make a short video for us. It could be of anything he wanted. Draw a person, draw an animal, draw a city. So I hope you enjoy what he put together for us. And of course, we'd love to see your pictures. We want to know how they turn out. So have fun, enjoy. And thanks, Luke. We really appreciate it. See you soon.
So, here we have a sheet of paper. Seems just like a normal sheet of paper, but the truth is, it's magic. No, it's not. So, here I'm going to show you how to draw, let's say, a human, for example. How about myself? I advise doing maybe some self-portrait thing. Whatever you want to do, this is just a basic tutorial. So, first, you're going to start with the head, and for that, you want to draw a circle. And you also want to draw these lines so you can do the face. And I advise drawing very lightly so you can erase it afterwards. So here you have this is where the face is going to be. First thing you want to do center is the nose and then the mouth. Next, over on each of these ends, you'll want to do the ears. Like that. And then just above this line on either side, you're going to want to do the eyes. I'm just drawing some very basic circles. Now, you can do the eyes however you want, but my own style is I do it like this. I do a dot here with this black curve line underneath it, and like this. And then you can do eyebrows if you want. Actually, you probably should do eyebrows. And then erase the part of this eye on top that's still showing through, and you can add other things to the eye, like to show different expressions. Like this makes it look like it's tired. So yeah, now you're gonna want to do the hair. So basically start like this. How I do my hair is it curves like this and goes over the ear and under like this. As you can see, I'm doing a bunch of lines to show it. And now you can add like extra hair down here depending on how long it is. But that's just my basic doing. And once you're done that, you're going to want to erase the baseline that you did to help draw the face. Like that. There you go. Now next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to now draw the neck. Going to work downwards. Now you can put on, now you're going to draw the shape for the body, which what I'm going to do is going to just draw a simple rectangle. As so, and then some smaller rectangles, as you can see, for the legs. Just very basic shapes at first that are easily erasable, so draw lightly. Now, the shape of the arms, I'm going to be doing them like this, and you'll see why. Now you can put whatever clothing you want on your character, but what I'm going to be doing is a hoodie. If I bring it closer here. Here's a neat zipper. As we can see, goes here. And what the arms are going into are pockets, as you can see on the side of the hoodie. And you're going to want to try to encase the shape of the arms in like the hoodie. Now time for the legs. As you can see here. Actually, I might extend my legs longer than that. Hold on a sec. And you also, this is why you draw it lightly, so you can easily erase things. There, that's that. And boom, there's the end of the pants. And now, what you'll want to do is erase all these leftover lines that you have. Here we go. So, I hope this is helping you, tutorial. I remember to keep this centered with the camera. So yeah. So you want to keep the same basic shape as the basic body that you drew with those simple shapes. Now you can go into extra detail if you want, like lines on the hair, like here. A tip that I like to use is shading to make it look a lot better. See where dark areas would be. It was called shading here. And there. See? I got my character right there.
Hello, and welcome back. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did. And Luke, once again, a special thank you for joining us and sending us this incredible video. I loved drawing along with you. Your explanations were simple and clear. It really was wonderful. So until we meet again, bye for now.